Remove the wheel and the hub. Push the hub away from the shaft. Remove the old clamps. Cut off the old CV boot. Wipe off the old grease.
Measure the shaft with the installation cone. Ensure that the base of the cone completely covers the CV joint. Spray the CV boot and the cone with the installation lubricant. The CV boot should be turned inside out. Place the cone with the CV boot on top over the joint. Support the cone with your body. Place both hands at the base of the CV boot. Push the CV boot forcefully over the cone until it goes over the CV joint. Remove the cone and protector. Flip over the boot. Apply the grease into the CV joint. Pack the grease forcefully into the CV joint. Squeeze excess grease into the CV boot. Now install the large clamp. Keep the clips up. Remember to double loop the clamp through the opening, running the clamp twice through the clip. Using the special wrench, tighten the clamp. Close the clips and cut off the excess of the clamp. Now you are ready to install the small clamp. Keeping the clips up, insert the clamp through the clip opening, making sure that you are running the clamp only once through the clip. Using the special wrench, tighten the clamp, close the clips and cut off the excess of the clamp and flatten the clamp. Be extremely accurate. Congratulations! The installation of the Millennium CV boot is now complete. You are now ready to install the hub and the wheel.